G'day mates, and welcome back to another Beat Saber tutorial video. Today, I'll be walking you through how to get custom songs in multiplayer for Beat Saber on the Oculus Quest, or Meta Quest, whatever, this is going to get so confusing. So this guide's only for people who have already modded their Oculus Quest for Beat Saber. If you haven't modded Beat Saber to get custom songs, you can either follow one of my guides to do that. At this point in time, it only works with version 1.17.1, so I do have a new guide on how you can downgrade Beat Saber to allow you to get custom songs and mods. So if you haven't got mods set up yet, you can follow that guide, but otherwise this is designed for people who have already modded Beat Saber. So one of the biggest downsides of modding Beat Saber on Quest is that you can't play multiplayer once you've modded it. It's kind of blocked off, you can't play it with your friends or anyone online. So what this guide will allow you to do is to play multiplayer against your friends and to be able to play custom songs with your friends or other people in the community. So we need 3 different mods for this to work. First mod is Beat Together, which allows crossplay, so you'll be able to play against other people on PC and invite and play with your friends as well. There's now a new mod called Multi-Quest Extension, which adds to that, which allows you to play custom songs with people on PC or other people on the Quest. And the third mod is Server Browser. It allows you to play against other people in the Beat Saber community who are also running this mod, and you can join their games as well. And as far as I know, this mod unfortunately doesn't support quick play, so you can't just jump into quick play and play against like any random. You do need to invite your friends or use the server browser to play against people. But it's really cool because it unlocks a whole bunch of new features for multiplayer, which we didn't have previously for the modded version of Beat Saber. So there's 2 ways to install these mods. At the time of filming this way doesn't work, but it should do in the future, so that's why I'm covering it. And this way is the quickest, easiest way, so it's worth checking just in case. So what we want to do is put on our Oculus Quest and open up BMBF. So we do that by going to apps, navigating to the top right hand corner to the drop down, clicking unknown sources, and then opening BMBF. And then along the top bar, we'll see an option that says browser. So we want to select on browser, and when it opens up, it should by default say get mods. If it doesn't, there's a little globe icon that you can select and then choose get mods from there. So in this list, it'll give you a big bunch of mods that you can install for Beat Saber on your Quest. So a lot of these have been approved by the admins, so you know they should be working and compatible and not have any issues. So that's why it takes a bit of time for them to update this list. Like for whatever reason, they haven't added it to this list. Maybe they don't approve it or it's got too many issues. There's lots of reasons why, but sometimes you can find it in this list, so it's always good to check. So if it's there, click the download icon. If not, follow the next step instead. So from BMBF, along the top bar, we should see an option on the right that says Tools. So we want to select on Tools, and from there, in the top right hand corner, kind of like grayed out and small, there'll be a little web address. So we want to copy this web address down, write it down, whatever, and then type that into a web browser on our computer. It doesn't need to be a gaming PC, any computer is fine. Type that web address into your web browser, and it should pop up with the BMBF page with a little box with a kind of drop-in icon. And this is where you can upload mods and custom songs to wirelessly upload them to your Oculus Quest. We then want to download those mods I mentioned previously: Beat Together, Multi-Quest Extension, and Server Browser. The links for them will be down below, but if you ever want to find Beat Saber mods for Quest, make sure you join the Beat Saber modding group Discord. That's where I found these. There's a great community there, and that's where people usually upload their mods for Beat Saber. But be warned, don't go in that Discord and demand help or being rude. Everyone in that community runs everything out of their free time and they volunteer, so make sure to be kind. Modding is a privilege, not a right, so we need to respect that. So after we downloaded those mods, we can then drag and drop all 3 of them into that web page, and we should get a little prompt saying that these are all synced up. And then you can choose Sync Saber. That'll then send it wirelessly to Beat Saber on our Oculus Quest. So then we can pop on our Oculus Quest, open up Beat Saber, and we should have a new option there that says Modded Multiplayer. So when you open up Modded Multiplayer, they'll have the quick play option. You can select it, but it doesn't work. Unless I'm incorrect, but as far as I know, it's not supported. So you have the option to go create server. The cool thing is it allows you to create a server for up to 10 people, which is really cool. And in the settings there's a few more settings, like you can turn on like a lag feature to reduce lag, and a few other settings there which you can navigate and work out for yourself. And there's also an option to to join a server. So if one of your friends wants to play a game, they can give you the code and you can join that way. And then down the bottom, you'll have an option that says server browser. That's to see who else is like playing modded Beat Saber online. And if you want to join their lobby, or if you want other people to join your lobby, that's a way that you can kind of play with other people in the community who also have modded Beat Saber. So yeah, that's how you get custom songs for multiplayer on Beat Saber for the Quest. All my information may not be 100% accurate, so if I've gotten something wrong, please let me know in the comments. And make sure to check the pinned comment down below as well. I'll update any important information there, so keep an eye on that as well. So yeah, I do multiplayer Mondays on my Twitch streams if you want to drop by. I think it's around 5 p.m. PT or around then. So if you want to drop by and play some Beat Saber with me, if you're running this mod, you'll be able to join, which is really cool. And yeah, I hope this guide helped you. If it did, leave a like, and if you like Beat Saber, then subscribe to my channel, because I talk a lot about Beat Saber. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!